The video's missing.
Which video?
The camera.
Oh, I turn that on after I do the YouTube.
Oh. Okay. Oh my God. Darn it. No.
Good afternoon. This is cause number 2007-70063 in the interest of Mia and Israel Ramos.
Yes.
Please raise your right hand to be sworn, ma'am. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name's Amanda Delgado, and I'm the mother of
All
Mia.
right. All right. For the state?
Marcella Turner.
All right. The court will note that the non-custodial parent is Israel Martin Ramos. Mr. Ramos was served on March 2nd, 2020 at 7:56 p.m. at 2622 Mill Creek Drive in Pasadena, Harris County, Texas. He made an appearance in court on March 12th, 2020 and signed a reset order setting this matter for May 7th, 2020. And he was given a notice by certified mail of this Zoom hearing today, which was delivered August 15th, 2020 at 1:12 p.m. Has he checked in, Ms. Turner? Ms. Turner. Ms. Turner's gone. All right, Ms. Delgado, we'll wait a minute because she's somehow got cut off.
Everybody's still trying to get used to this whole Zoom stuff.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't always work the way it's supposed to.
Yeah. Violet. Sorry.
Where'd she go? Where did she go? Did you scare her off, Ms. Delgado? Her name will come up over here, right? And then I admit her or something. I can only see your eyes.
Oh, sorry.
There you go.
Trying to fix it because it's like I'm working from home, so my phone is ringing. I'm trying to mute it.
Okay, one of the problems is that that window behind you or over your left shoulder, that
Yes.
sun coming right in there is really blurring. Okay, now
Is that
you're
better?
hiding it. That's better.
Okay.
You want to call her on the phone and find out what the problem is?
Now on the top it says live on YouTube.
Yes, it is. This is on YouTube.
Oh,
It has to be because this is a public hearing.
okay.
So you could be on YouTube somewhere. Where
Awesome.
is she? Okay. Okay, so now what do I do?
Go all the way up to where her name is.
Yeah.
Where it says admit. Yeah.
Hello. Welcome back. Now she's muted or what?
I am back. Sorry, Your Honor. I got kicked out.
Anything to keep me in court late, right?
You know
All
what?
right.
Today it's just not been good for me.
Did I scare you?
All right. I've already made all the announcements. We're proceeding by default. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior court order signed on August 22nd, 2016, where
All right.
Ms. Ramos was ordered to pay $206 in child support and $38 in medical support, both to begin on September 1st of 2016.
Okay.
The state would like to call Ms. Delgado. Ms. Delgado, are you aware of whether or not Mr. Ramos has any other children other than this child or the two children on this case?
Yes, he has 3 kids that live with him currently.
Okay.
Younger.
Are they his
And-
children?
Yes.
Okay.
And are you aware of whether or not Mr. Ramos is currently employed?
I do know he is employed.
And how is medical and dental insurance provided for these two children?
Right now, I'm paying, it's being taken out of my paycheck for vision and dental. And I was waiting for this hearing for medical because I can't afford it at this point.
Okay.
Not all of it, at least.
Okay. But are you covering medical support for the children right now?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you asking for reimbursement for the medical support?
Yes.
And are you asking this court to order cash medical reimbursement to you in the amount of $366 to begin on October 1st of 2020?
Yes.
And you understand that due to the restrictions in place as far as the medical and dental being able to exceed or 9%, that there will be no reimbursement for the dental support?
Yes.
Asking this court to order that the dental support in that regard be ordered at $0 each month to begin October 1st of 2020.
Yes.
And would you say that Mr. Ramos' gross is about $4,066.50 each month? And are you asking this court to order current child support in the amount of $578 to begin October 1st of 2020?
Yes.
And how do you know that he grosses 4,000 some odd dollars?
I know that he's making a significant amount based off of my children, and they just bought a house. So clearly they're living a pretty lavish lifestyle.
But where do we get the $4,000 figure?
In addition to that, Your Honor, a child support officer from the office has conducted research and an investigation in regards to Mr. Ramos's income, and the results have yielded that Mr. Ramos is grossing that amount based off of the income reported.
All right, I'll accept that hearsay.
We can get a child support officer on the line to testify to it if the
Well,
court,
if you want to clamp it down and tie it with a bow, you
with
might
the whistle.
want to.
Okay, well, that's what we'll do. Let me send notice to have the child support officer come on and testify. Oh man, I got knocked out of everything. Today. Send her an email.
I think this is from the other day. Are we getting anywhere, Ms. Turner?
Yes, I am. I sent them a message to have her log in, and I've sent the Zoom info ID to have her log in. I'm just trying to make sure that they received. Okay, she's acknowledged the message, so she should be logging in.
I can't hear anything. Was she talking?
Hold on, you're muted. Hold on, Ms. Turner, you're muted. Hold on.
Oh, I was
All
just
right.
letting her, I was making sure our child support officer was logging in so we wouldn't have to wait too much longer. So she should be logging in momentarily.
Miss Luna, is that who it is?
Yes.
Okay, let me admit her. Miss Luna? All right, raise your right hand to be sworn. Miss Luna? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
You're
Okay,
muted.
hold on, I think she's muted here somewhere.
Yes,
Oh, okay, all right. Please identify yourself and what your relationship is in this matter.
my name is Sandra Luna. I'm a child support officer for the Attorney General's office.
All right. You want to call her as a witness, Ms. Turner?
Yes, Your Honor. At this
All right.
time, the state would like to call Miss Luna. Miss Luna, recently stated, prior just stated that you were a child support officer at the Office of the Attorney General. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And how long have you been a child support officer at the Office of the Attorney General?
For 8 years,
And what is your role at the Office of the Attorney General?
I do enforcement actions, file the enforcement orders. I assist with court. I assist with establishment and
Okay. And, I'm sorry, go ahead.
negotiate orders.
Okay.
Order in the
And
office.
what other duties does your role entail?
Why don't
I
you
do.
lead her, Ms. Turner? Why don't you lead her?
So as a child support officer at the Office of the Attorney General, do you typically investigate and research these cases that come before the court?
Yes,
And did you research and investigate anything in regards to Mr. Ramos's case today?
yes.
And did you investigate Mr. Ramos's employment as well as his income?
Yes.
And what did your investigation yield in regards to Mr. Ramos's income?
Based on our resources, his monthly income is it's $4,066.50, and that's his gross income.
Okay, thank you. No further questions for this witness.
You have any questions for her, Ms. Delgado? Ms. Delgado,
Yes,
you have any questions for her?
I don't.
Okay, you're excused, Ms. Luna.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Where were you, Ms. Turner?
The state would like to recall Ms. Delgado at this time.
All right.
And Ms. Delgado, based off of the information and the investigation that was conducted in this matter, are you asking this court to order monthly child support in the amount of $578 each month to begin October 1st of 2020?
Yes, I do.
And do you believe this order to be in the best interest of your children?
Definitely.
And are you asking this court to approve this agreement?
I am.
I'm sorry, this order.
And has there been a change in circumstance? Or is this more than $100 that he was ordered to pay previously?
There's been a substantial material change in circumstances, Your Honor. I believe at the time of the last order, Mr. Ramos was not employed.
All right.
Additionally, one other thing, Your Honor, I'm sorry, Ms. Delgado, in your prior order, there was previously ordered a non-disclosure. Is that correct?
Correct.
And is that due to,
Sorry.
I'm sorry?
Sorry, my dog.
And is that due to safety concerns between yourself and Mr. Ramos or a non-party?
For Mr. Ramos.
Okay, and are you asking this court to keep the non-disclosure on this order as well?
Yes.
And those safety concerns still exist, is that correct?
Yes.
No further questions for the witness. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. May Ms. Delgado be excused?
Yes.
And may I be excused?
Y'all have a great afternoon.
You too.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Are you sure?